Hey, it's Manson. I'm building Sovereign.ai, and if you're interested to see how this platform works, just watch this video. I'll walk through all of the features quickly so that you understand how it could help you scale modular video ads and connect to your Facebook campaigns and launch video ads that way. So it'll help you save a lot of time. This is the dashboard overview, and I'll go into the projects right now. So I created a project for myself. So I'm clicking view details. And the first step that you want to do, this is optional, but you can create a context vault storing all of the information of your brand. So it'll scrape your website. So here I inserted my website for the scraper to get all of the information. What you can also do is you can add other context sources like customer testimonials, ad scripts, brand notes of things that you can't say, for example. And this helps feed our script writer and overlay generator the best information so you never run out of ad ideas or hooks to test. Then, once you have a website in here, you can generate a product spec and you can generate this from your website and it'll fill out all of the information like what your uh, product is named, some of the key features. So it'll automatically generate that using the website URL. So I just click this and it'll take a couple seconds for the AI to generate all this information for you. Yeah, so it just generated all this, and what you can do is you can just go in and double check that all the features, benefits, target audience is correct, and you can adjust this for yourself too. And this is very important if you want to use our text overlay hook generator, and I'll show you that later because it's awesome because you can generate batches of hooks, for example, that you can test onto your uploaded videos. So this was the context vault. Here's where you can upload your video clips and you can upload raw footage. And if you don't have any raw footage, you can also AI generate, which I'll go over later. But once you have some assets uploaded, you can then add text overlays, and this is generated from your context vault, which we went over in step one. And if you don't have any ideas of things to test, this is a quick way to generate some ideas of text overlays. They could be hooks or anything that you want. You can even enter your own if you have some ideas to test. You can position it how you like, enter a font family, upload your own fonts, and customize it this way. And you can even add captions to some B-roll if you want, and then export it, and it'll create a new variation of your video clip for you, and it'll store the original video. Um, and I went over the AI generate, but I'll go over it here um, more thoroughly. So we're connected to Veo3 and Veo3 Fast, which is the best AI video model right now. And um, so this will generate videos for you. And if you don't know how to prompt exactly, we actually have a prompt enhancer. So let's try girl running um, selfie style. And if you don't know exactly how to prompt, we have this enhanced prompt feature that's trained on the best practices from Google and from some of the top AI video model prompt libraries. And from here, it generates this long prompt, some of the best practices like no subtitles, which you might have seen in Veo 3 um, outputs. So from here, you can just say, okay, I'll want to generate a video from here. So it'll generate something with Veo 3. So that was the asset library. Next, I'll go over the sequences, which I think is super exciting because with video ads, direct response video ads in general, they generally follow a structure. So they start with a hook, then they transition to a body, and then they end with a call to action. And you can get as granular as you want with Sovereign. So what you can do is you'll see here I created this problem solution sequence, but you can create another sequence if you want, and name it whatever you want, hook demo, and create. And yeah, from here you have this example sequence, but you can delete them if you want. Hook demo CTA, you can add blocks if you want, and really customize your video ad framework. And then from here, in the hook block, you can say, okay, I want to test different kinds of hooks. So I want to test these 4 different kind of hooks. So you select them. You can filter for some of these things. And I forgot to mention, in the asset library, you can add tags. So you can filter for VO3 generated videos, or you can filter for a visual hook, which was a custom tag that I added. Then for videos into your hook block. So this will help you generate 4 hook variations once you go into the next step, which I'll cover very shortly. And then in the demo, you can select demo assets and then save changes. And then in the next step, build ads. Once you have your ad sequence built with selected ads in here, you can then generate a new batch. So I click generate a new batch. You'll have credits, and you can always top up if you need it. Here's where you select the ad sequence. We just created the hook demo ad sequence. You can select the aspect ratio you want to export in, resolution. I didn't select the full sequence, or I didn't add the assets into the full ad sequence. There were some empty blocks, so let me just go in here and delete these blocks. So right now the hook demo is just a hook. So now I'll go back into the build ads platform. Here you can generate a new batch. So now you can generate 4 variations. Click generate. Great. And what's also great is if you have a Meta account, you can integrate that as well. So here I already have my Meta ad account synced with I selected the campaign. You can select the ad sets that you want to add your ads to. And you can even duplicate an existing ad set if you have a creative testing campaign and you have a new ad set for each creative test. You can do that too. I'll just go and click next and select all these settings, and you can edit your launch defaults also. So if you have a default settings that you always have for primary text, headline, call to action, all that, then you can set them here. You can opt to turn off multi-advertiser ads or creative enhancements. I don't know if you can see this. Turn off all the creative enhancements too. And then next is a review. Yeah, here's where you can launch all these ads directly into your Meta ad campaigns. Click create, and then they'll go into your ad set. And what's also great is you can minimize and then just keep working on whatever you want. Another feature that we have is a thumbnail tester. So if you select one video, and I've been asked for this a couple times, so I decided to add it into the tool. But if you have one video render selected, you can test thumbnail variations, and you can upload and select your images, and then it'll create you can create up to 10 thumbnail variations of your video ads. And yeah, you can do that too. So this was a quick demo of the sovereign platform. And if you have any questions, feel free to ping me. There's a chat window here where you can chat with me, and I'll get to your question right away. And if you have any feedback, please let me know also in the chat window.